Hi, good afternoon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Fibonacci series in C programming language. Now I'm gonna show you how to display Fibonacci series in C language. Let's have title slash asterisk, write a program to display Fibonacci series. Let's have example 1, 3, then 4, then 7, then 11, then 18 up to 10th terms. So this 10th means we have to use loop 10 times. Let's have header files here. Has include stdio.h, has include conio.h. Let's have function voi, the void main, open curly and close curly. Before we are going to write actual program, we need to declare variable here. Let's have integer x equals to 1 first value and y equals to 3 second value, and we will add x plus y into g. And let's have another integer for loop L. Then clear screen clr scr. Okay, we'll start do open curly print f, then percentage d for integer slash t for tab, so that it will print, it will use double space, and whenever it's going to print number, so because of tab there will be a space and it looks better. In comma we are going to print x now. Okay, now g equals to x plus y. Now we need to swap values, x equals to y and y equals to z. Now we need to increment loop L plus plus. Okay, close curly, then while L is less than and equals to 10, because we have a 10th term. Finally we have to write get ch. Now I'm gonna show you how to run this program. Alt F9 for compile, so it's success. To run program, control F9. So we have a 1 only, and this one, yeah, because of here the mistake, L equals to 1 also. Okay, control F9. Okay, okay, if you want to use for loop instead of do loop, then we need to change here, change this do to for L equals to 1, then L is less than equals to 10, then L plus plus increment we have to do. So afterward, then we don't need this L plus plus because we already use on that for loop. Delete this. For every for loop we don't need this while, so let us delete as well. Now I'm gonna run this program, compile, Alt F9, success, control F9. Output is same. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.